Hi, you forget to hide any objects on your video, or you want to blur any objects after uploading a video on YouTube? This tutorial only for you. So keep watch this video till the end, otherwise you miss some important steps. For that, log into your YouTube account first and go to the right side corner and click the channel icon and select the third option, YouTube Studio, and go to the second option here, the content. Click the content and then select which video you want to blur and move the cursor to the video which video you want to edit and click the pencil icon for details. And then go to the third option here, the editor. This is the working area for blurring setting. You see here the blur option. This is the blur option setting. You can click the plus symbol here for adding blur, or you can select here blur parts of your video. Here I'm selecting the plus symbol here, and you can choose which type of blur you want. You want a face blur or a custom blur? I want custom blur only, so select this second option and choose the blur shape. You want to rectangle or oval, and then select the blur behavior. You want to track any object on your entire video, then select this track object. Otherwise you want to fix the blur position on your video, select this fix blur position. I am using this second option only. I want to hide the self here. You see here this object I want to hide, so you can easily drag and drop the shape and resize the shape to hide the object. The undo redo option also available here, so you can use that if you require. After that, set the timing, the front time here and the ending time here, or you can easily drag and drop the blue shape here to set the time. I am setting 0.00 to 0.04.0. This is my setting. Now everything is set, and then click save and read this if you want, and click save again and wait some time because it takes some time to reflect on your video. You see here video is being processed. Please check back later. After 3 minutes, this object is successfully hidden. You see here the object is fully hidden. Wrongly doing this setting, or you want to back your original video, then go to the three dot here on the right side corner and select the second option, revert to original. Or you want to save this video as a new one, then select the save as new and click the third option for keyboard shortcuts. One more tips I give you, sometimes this track object option is not working properly, so keep it on mind. Whenever you do this blur setting on your video, must recheck your video, otherwise your viewers be irritated because of the blur option. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel now, because a lot of earning and more useful contents are coming soon, and share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and comment below what are the topics actually you want. because without your interaction I am unable to know what you want. So please comment below what are the topics actually you want.